Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable, the Lectur Istianatul Husniah and friend, I would like to thank you for coming to my presentation. Nice to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ananda Dwi Nur Cahyono from Fresh Grade Multimedia Broadcasting PSDKU Lamongan. Okay, buddy, on this occasion I will present in the research paper that I'm working on. Before going to the topic of discussion, I will explain what it is in research paper. A research paper is a paper that involves the research process, critical thinking, evaluation of source, composition, and organization. Paper is a scientific article written in a written format. Usually a paper is the result of new research, but a paper can also be the result of a review of previous studies. Paper has a difference with paper. The paper is written works that discussion certain issues and is written systematically and through a logical and objective analysis, while the paper is more focused on the discussion and analysis of the topic problem in question. Okay, next I will explain the influences and misuse of internet media on the education of youth in current world. Preliminary background. The internet is the largest computer network in the world because it connects all computer networks in the world. Many changes have occurred with the presence of internet technology, especially for the midst of the current and future generation of society. Always information content in the internet offers easy access. It's just that the variety of available information not only contain good things for its user, but this can also be freely obtained. Therefore, in order to make the best use of it, we need to know the benefits and bad effects of internet user. Problem. Based on the background above, the problem that will be discussed in this paper are as follows. First, what are the causes of internet abuse? 2. What is caused by internet abuse? 3. What is the role of parents in overcoming internet abuse? Next, first theory basis. In the era of globalization, technological developments are much more advanced. In this era of globalization, technology developments are far more advanced with various exciting developments, along with the developments of the teams so fast information technology is so easily accessible from various parts of the world. You can access every information from every country with international system. Everyone cannot afford technological developments that are always there and can all the time. One real example is the information of media convergence. Media convergence can make it easier to access information online. Internet abuse by teenagers is caused by the condition of teenagers who are still in the transition stage from children to adults. Therefore, their instable nature is still very high. However, is however, this does not mean that the use of the internet always has a negative connotation. The use of the internet actually has many benefits if it is used positively, such as spreading positive news, not hoax, online business, and gathering with old friends. However, because of the action of many decades, it is assumed that the internet has a bad impact. Actually, whether or not the use of the internet is good depends on what is user intends to do in employing this social media. This discussion in this era of globalization, people are required to be media literate, including information media that can provide all inputs about the parallelism of media politics. People should understand its strength because the background is that the media is the target of the internet of investors. Because of this, the information of media convergence becomes a forum for people aspiration to express their opinions. When people cannot take advantage of conventional media, they can use the sophisticated information media that is already available. This can help with the intriguing political problems. In this era of globalization, the world community needs to media literate, including information media that can provide all inputs about pluralism of media politics. People should understand this strengthening because the background is the media target the inverse of investor. Apart from being a medium for distributing information, the internet also has an important role as an entertainment medium. For example, games and videos on YouTube and other applications, where excessive consumption of online games can have a negative impact on children, including being lazy to do other activities, lack of socializing with those close to them, i.e., disorders, words, and so on, which will affect the future. The role of parents here is very important to reduce playing smartphone for playing online games. Parents must be framed to limit this and always keep an eye on unwanted links such as dirty talk that will affect their manners. Besides that, parents must always be careful to use internet media with positive things to prevent bad things that will happen to children such as hyper premature ejaculation because internet media will also smell pornographic in terms of images and videos such as on YouTube. and other video applications. Parental supervision is very important to make their child's character to the positive side. Number 3, closing and conclusion. The internet actually has many benefits of it is war are unstable and lack to experiment like this express themselves as unsupportive environmental condition cause the next to lack to abuse the internet there if nets or attentions more to overcome it. Usually at schools and universities use the internet a lot. This triggers teenagers to be more diligent in using to the internet and our money will use it for business other than school lesson. The use of the internet that is used with good intention will produce good result as if we misuse it for negative things. The result will also be bad. Destination. In reading this paper, the author has the following objectives. Number 1, to fulfill one of the coursework assignments. 2, to know the impact of internet abuse. Next, research methods. In this research paper, the author used the method of reading and observation. Number 5. Research uses. The uses of this research paper are as follows. To find out the impact of internet abuse. To find out the cause and effect of internet abuse. Okay, next, consolation. The impact of internet abuse can be concluded that number 1, that cause of internet abuse generally occurs because of the fact of the internet user to describe the connectivity of the network and a group of people or individuals who post pornographic videos that are not ethical. Number 2, there are various negative impact of the presence of the internet. The negative impact of using the internet, namely control weakness, change in social behavior, the threat of the spread of virus, and the emergence of new criminal professions. Number 3, the role of parents is also very much needed in internet abuse. Parents should accompany their children when accessing the internet to prevent children from abusing the internet. The role of parents here is very important to reduce playing smartphone to playing online games. Parents must be free to limit this because some of them will be lazy to do other activities, lack of socializing, which touch close to them, eye disorders, and always keep an eye on unwanted in things such as dirty talk, which will affect their manners. Number 4. The government uses a strategic method, namely in the form of institutional strengthening, mastery of technology, the extent of regulation to overcome it, and the extent of security readiness and the community. Thank you very much for your great attention. Sorry if there are any shortcomings in my presentation. Thank you for listening. Hopefully everything I share is useful for all of us. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.